Got this wig in the color butter lace and color. Oh my goodness. Hi, it's me, Ceinna, and today I'm going to be doing another wig install. I did get this wig from Beauty Exchange. I am going to show y'all in just a second. But first things first, I want to get into all the little goodies they send. I love when companies send like cute little stuff just because they don't have to, and it's nice when they go the extra mile. So they did send over one edge brush. They also sent 2 wig caps in dark beige. I'm really excited about this. Usually when I get wig caps, they're just that super duper light color and I have to put foundation, so I'm very excited for the color they sent to me. And they also sent me mink lashes. Like they really, this is nice. So I'm really excited about these, very grateful. I love little goodies. This is the wig that I got from Beauty Exchange. I'm very excited. I have not opened this. This will be a full unboxing. Haven't touched the hair or anything at all. This is the butter lace wig from Sensational. I got it in the color 2. It also has HD lace. It's supposed to be virtually undetectable on most skin tones, so I'm very excited to see how well it blends with mine. This is also an ear-to-ear lace wig. I don't have one of those. This will be my first install, so I'm excited to see how it goes. This also has a pre-plucked hairline. So let's keep our fingers crossed that I don't have to touch it at all and I don't have to make it how I made the last one. Now this is a synthetic wig, but it can withstand between 350 and 400 degrees of heat. However, I really do like the curl pattern that's in here, so I don't plan on putting any heat on it today. I just want to see how it comes right out the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the box for the first time and give you my first impressions. Once you do that, there's no going back. We're committed. We're putting on a wig today. So first things first, the hair is very soft, like really soft. It's not, I've had an experience with synthetic wigs before, and I feel like synthetic wigs are only progressing and getting a lot better. So it's really nice to like now have affordable and good quality options for wigs, because a few years ago, a synthetic wig was not gonna cut it. A synthetic wig was for Halloween. This is nice, this is soft, it has a cute little curl to it. It's bouncy. This is cute, wait. Yeah, so far so good. I really, really like this. Okay, now we're gonna get into the lace. This is what it looks like straight out of the package. You can see that it does look like the hairline is plucked already and the lace blends in really well with this cardboard. I'm gonna take this off and do the test on my hand. This is what the lace looks like against my hand. It's not a perfect match. It's definitely something that we can work with. But it's not gonna blend perfectly. I will have to put concealer on this just to get it to look a lot better. But the lace is at least easy to work with. It's very, very soft, and so hopefully I don't have too much trouble. Okay, this is what the inside of the wig looks like. This is where you would make your part right here. They do have a little bit of a wider section for parting, which is nice. And then it also just has the 3 combs, so one here, and then you have one in the back, and you also have the straps for making adjustments if you wanted to. So far so good. For the price of this wig, it is definitely really, really good quality right out of the box. The hair is so shiny, and it's not like fake plastic shiny, you know what I mean? Like it's a nice, good shine. This is really pretty. I'm actually really excited about this. I don't plan on doing anything to it. Like this is like the exact kind of curl I've been looking for in a wig, just something cute and like wavy. So I think this is gonna be cute on me, honestly. I think it's gonna be cute on me. Let's see. So now that I have my wig on my little wig head, I can see all the plucking a lot better, and I am really, really excited about this. It's plucked very well, and I also like that the middle part is plucked. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but it blends out really, really nicely, and it's plucked really well. So this is really exciting for me because plucking is where I struggle. So I'm gonna go get my hair prepared for the install, and I'm gonna cut the lace and put it on. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. with my wig cap on. I do want to say that I love the color of this cap. So for example, I brought the color of the last cap that I had in my other video. You can see there is a very big difference in color. So I still think I'm gonna have to put concealer on it, but still it's so much nicer to have like a darker color. I'm happy they sent that one to me. I'm going to put the wig on really quick just to see how it looks before I start cutting lace and stuff, but I'm very excited. Okay, here we go. Okay, first things first, this is so pretty on me. Like, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. This is cute. This is really cute.
Look how she ate that.
So I'm going to glue down the wig cap and then I'm going to cut the lace. So to glue this cap down, I'm going to use this Wonder Lace bond that I got from my local beauty supply. I'm just going to spray it across and then cut off the excess. Okay, so this is the final result for the wig cap. It's not professional, but I'm not professional. So this is what we have, and now I'm gonna put foundation on the wig cap. I'm gonna go ahead and put foundation on the inside of the wig as well, and then I'm gonna put it on, glue it, and cut it. So I'm just gonna be spraying this from ear to ear, but I do have to do this part off camera because I can't see. All right, I am gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna take this off now. I can't see it. Does it look good?
Child. Anyway, so.
Okay, so now that I've got this cut off, I'm gonna do one last spray to really try to melt it in, and then we're gonna do the baby hairs. I'm gonna be using a wide tooth comb to just go through the hair very lightly to detangle it. Don't forget, you can find this wig at Beauty Exchange. You can go to mybeautyexchange.com to find a location near you. And you can also go to their Instagram for different ideas and inspiration for your next look. Definitely check them out. This wig was an absolute winner. I feel like I did a lot better on this one. I will say the lace already being plucked was a game changer for me because it made it so much easier. So for the price of this wig and the amount of work I had to do, come on now. She is the moment.
She's got a point. She's an icon. She's a legend, and she is the moment. Now, come on now.
This is how far it comes down on me. I am not gonna put any heat on it right now. It can take up to 400 degrees, like I said earlier, but this wave that it has right now is exactly what I want. Like, I actually don't want to change it at all. So I would say if you're looking for a wig that's easy to install fresh out the box and you can just grab and go, this is definitely a good option. It's also a good option if you're a beginner like me and you're just now getting into putting on wigs and learning about lace, this would be a really good option because it's good quality and it's not gonna break the bank. So I definitely recommend checking them out and go and get you a butter lace wig. That's gonna be it for this video. I want to thank Beauty Exchange for sending this wig over to me. I love it so much. This is gonna be my go-to. Look out for Instagram pictures soon. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found it helpful or if you enjoyed it at all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.